Hello and welcome to the unboxing of my Westfield E4500. This guitar is based off of a Gibson Les Paul. You could say even an Epiphone Les Paul, but yeah, either or either, this is it. Just unboxing it. I bought this guitar relatively, I was going to say relatively cheap, but no, I don't think I paid a relatively cheap price. I think I paid probably what it's worth, you know. Actually, maybe a little bit less, seeing as it does come with a hard case. I got this off eBay from Cancer Research. To be honest, I'm not impressed with the way this thing was packed. I'm not that mad though, because this hasn't come from a guitar shop. It's come from a charity shop, so can't really moan about it, can I? As I'm unboxing, I can tell you that this flight case feels extremely sturdy and extremely hard. And that this guitar weighs a ton. Yeah. Let's open it up. Flip it around first. With every unboxing, there's always some kind of nervousness and some sort of anticipation. You know, I've had some good and bad experiences in the past, but let's see how this one is. Ooh, ooh-wee. She's a pretty girl. Flipping heavy as well. But flipping hell, first impression, she's gorgeous. Got my little helper coming along. And you can see there's a key that comes with it. That was just rattling around in a bag. This is what it looks like overall. Just trying to get a close-up of the fret inlays, but yeah, it looks like some type of topaz or something like that. This is very strikingly good looking. I'm not even joking. I might as well run through a bit of the specs. I know that it's got a mahogany body and a mahogany neck with a rosewood fretboard. It's very similar to a Gibson. The knobs don't offer the same sort of resistance that I would expect to find on a high-end instrument. And this switch here, it feels okay, not too bad. It feels better than what was on the Gretsch, to be fair. I had a closer look, and as you can see with this truss rod cover, the screws aren't aligned properly and they're not in place properly, so that may be cause for concern later on. Here's the back. Tuning pegs work extremely nice and smooth. It offers a little bit of resistance, but that's kind of what I like. I don't want it to feel too loose, because then it starts to feel a bit cheap. No imperfections whatsoever. If you look at this, look at that nice binding. That like 4-level binding? I don't know. If you look here though, where it was packaged badly, there's a little chip in the bottom of the guitar. That's my only gripe. This is what the case looks like. It offers quite a bit of padding, but this clearly is not a good fit for a Les Paul. If you see where I was just touching, that's where the headstock was pushing into the foam. It's a little bit dirty. Nothing that a quick vacuum won't sort out. You know, but if you look down here, it's bowed out a bit. That was probably done in transport. That would explain the damage to the bottom of the guitar. Feels fairly sturdy, I guess. So yeah. On second thoughts, this case is not sturdy at all. You can see where the bottom of the guitar has actually smashed in the case and has caused this indentation. It's actually cracked through the plastic. This must have taken one hell of a mighty whack. I'm not going to send it back though, even though it's got a crack and a bulge in the case, because it's cheap enough and I'm not going to find this anywhere else. Anyway, thanks for watching. Demo coming soon.